what's some of the biggest opportunities or challenges that you see in the future?
Well, talent is for sure an issue, right? And hiring, which I'm still not quite certain I wrap my head around, but it is hard. It is hard finding talent.
Yeah.
I think the other thing we all face, and maybe because this is a more traditional market or industry, I should say, and not that anyone is slow to adapt. I think everyone who's still here has adapted, but I think we're facing a lot of technical changes, a lot of digital changes for everything that we've gone through, Sannah, right?
Yeah.
AI is going to change everything. So, right. So how do you adapt to that? How do you embrace it and not be fearful of it? Because it is a hard thing to understand, even though we're faced with it all the time and we might not even realize it, right? Your phone listens to you and it feeds things up, right? You know, you're searching for things and it knows what you want. It's delivering it based on your past search experience. So we don't realize all of that's artificially driven. And so I think it's just something that we still haven't fully grasped.
Yeah.
And so to me, I think it's both the biggest opportunity and the biggest challenge. And it all ties back to data, really.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. And also getting that push, right? Even though we got the push over the last couple of years, there's still, if it's companies, right? Or if it's people, right? To do it, right? Just
right. You don't want to lag now just because we think we're on the other side of it, because you never know when the next situation is going to come. Or, you know, if those companies are adapting and changing and you don't, and you fall behind, where does that leave you, right? You're not in a good spot if you're not, at least how you can, keeping up with where the world is going.
So, so we all need to, you know, keep learning, right? If you like Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get the podcast. Our podcast is for industry decision makers like yourself, providing a personalized experience to elevate your leadership journey. So be sure to tune in. You'll have access to a wealth of practical advice and innovative strategies, boosting and refining your leadership style. So check it out. It's on leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.